Click on Get Started Now button. Very important, make sure the user ID matches the person who shared this with you. Provide your best email. Confirm your email. Create a secured password. Confirm your secured password. Click the Submit button. Now that you created your account, please pay your monthly access and unilevel fee of $25. Click on Payment System. Click on Pay Monthly. Send this exact amount in BTC. Send to this BTC address. Once you send BTC, please wait 30 seconds before clicking the Verify and Activate My Account button. Now your account will list as active. Last step is to now activate Level 1 Matrix or all of them. Click on My Matrix. Each level must be purchased individually and in order. Start with Level 1 activation, then do the same for the other remaining matrices. In this example, Level 1 is already purchased, so we will click on Start Now for Level 2. If your first time, you would click on Level 1, Start Now. Click on Start Now. Send this exact amount in BTC. Send to this BTC address. Once you send BTC, please wait 30 seconds before clicking the Verify and Activate My Account button. You now have your monthly unilevel paid and your matrix activated. Go back and activate all additional levels of the matrix. Remember, the matrix are paid only once. The monthly unilevel must be paid every 30 days to earn commissions and keep your back office active.